Okay guys, I'm just doing a quick tutorial on how to activate a pump alarm. So you want to type up in the top pump alarm /activate. Go to the pump alarm site, and there's actually two logins here. So if you click up here, you're going to see a sign in here. This sign in is for admin. You cannot activate a device from here. So we're not going to go there. We're going to go to tap here to activate your device and log into manage your wireless subscription. So we're going to click that, and this is kind of what the page is going to look like. So the email that you need to use here is accounts receivable, or ECEIVABLE at ravelservices.com. Just one.com. Password is going to be capital ROWELL hashtag. I'm going to sign it. Okay, so now that we're in here, these are all the units that we have out there. So you're going to click up here, the three lines there, and you're going to click activate a new unit. And in this case, the unit is going to be Chris's unit that he's setting up right now, but on the side of the box, you're going to see a little tag, and it's going to have like a 6-digit 6 letters or digits ID number. So his is 4THK9W, and we're going to click search and choose your plan. So it only gives you the one plan right here. We're going to select that plan, and then we're going to continue and select payment method. So Mandy's cards are already hooked up here. It shows you right here. We're going to continue and review, and then you're going to accept everything. So continue and submit payment. All right, now that we're here, once I did that, you're going to see authorization complete for this unit, and it's going to give you a phone number. So you're going to write that phone number down. You can see the phone number here is 525-694-7309. So that's the phone number for the unit you have now just activated. So what you're going to do is you're going to put that into your phone, and you're going to text that number and follow the prompts on the pamphlet that you come with the box that shows you how to set everything up. That's the number you're going to be texting. So what I want you to do is put your phone number in as phone 1 and only yours for now while you set everything up, so all the other clients don't get all the setup texts. As soon as you are done setting that all up, you can add the 2 other phone numbers from the client, and then you add my phone number as phone 1, and it'll put mine on and bump you off. So hopefully this is helpful. Give me a call if you have any problems. Thanks, guys.